Join me today as we ride the Amphicars over at Disney Springs.
I'm sorry, Jason. Some more. That's perfect. You're talking. Figured I'd help you out. Bring you a cat. A cat. Bring you a car. You might want to pull the chalks over here and get ready to pull that one too. Right. Oh, I think you're next anyway. Here, Victoria's a thing. Ready?
Yeah! And I'll take horse.
Did you guys put your seatbelts on? Don't. There's no seatbelts. Get them every time on that one. All right, listen to the brakes on the brake.
No brakes on working.
Brake check. Okay. Right.
Let's go!
Hey, look, Victoria's taking more pictures. Yay! More things for us to selfie.
We're going now! We're burning rubber! We broke the boat.
They didn't put the boat in propeller mode for me.
Uh-oh.
We haven't used this boat all day today. So.
Oh. Are we on check for now?
So this is part of our 20-minute guided tour on the waters of Lake Buena Vista down at Disney Springs. You can find the Amphicars down at the boathouse. It runs from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., weather permitting, and runs about $125 per car. And then you do want to tip your captain just a little at the end. Really fun ride. Our captain was so nice, so friendly, gave us the history of the Amphicars, where they're from, where they are, talked about Disney Springs just a little. But just a fun little addition to your Disney vacation.
These things were designed to run all day. So,
Yeah.
just gotta keep an eye on it. You'll charge us way too much. This is the newest one.
Well, that concludes our ride around the lake today at Walt Disney World's Disney Springs on the Amphicars. If you think things like this might be a fun addition to your next vacation to Walt Disney World, please make sure to reach out to one of our travel agents here at Smooth Winds Travel. They can share some great little tidbits, things like this, to maybe do a day off from the park and have some great adventures and fun stuff still to do. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe so you get notifications on any of our next videos.